Hello guys, this is your teacher Nicholas and today we are going to talk about biographies. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre biografías and as we are talking about biographies, we are going to use simple past, okay? Simple past. So I am going to give you tips in order for you to understand a text, okay? Les voy a dar consejos de cómo entender un texto, okay? So here we are going to use two learning strategies, which one is picture exploration, and number two, skimming. Okay, skimming. So let's continue. Number one, we pay attention to the title. We pay attention to the title. Prestamos atención al título. So today we are going to talk about Frida Kahlo. Okay. Number two, we pay attention to the pictures in the text. Okay. Número dos, prestamos atención a las imágenes que hay en el texto. Okay. Pictures will help us contextualize and will tell us what the text is going to be. Entonces las imágenes nos van a contar sobre lo que el texto se va a tratar. Okay, so if we take a look at picture number one, it's Frida Kahlo, the title. Picture number two, Mexico. And picture number three, we have a person here, and we don't know who he is, but we will discover through the text. Okay? Number three, we identify the verbs in the text, the verbs in past in the text, ¿ok? Número 3, identificamos los verbos en pasado que hay en el texto, ¿ok? And then we can start reading. So Frida Kahlo was a Mexican artist. She was a Mexican artist. She painted self-portraits. Ella pintaba portarretratos de ella misma. After, she had a bus accident. Ella tuvo un accidente de bus. Frida became a politician. Entonces ella se volvió una política, un personaje político, and she married the communist Diego Rivera. So she married the communist artist Diego Rivera. So who is this person? Yes, it is Diego Rivera. She exhibited her paintings in Mexico and Paris before her death in 1954. Okay, so she exhibited her paintings in Paris and Mexico before her death in 1954. Ella exhibió sus pinturas en México y París antes de su muerte en 1954. So Frida or Kahlo was born, remember that was born is nació. This is an expression, was born, nació. So Frida Kahlo was born in Coyoacán, Mexico. So she was born in Coyoacán, Mexico on July the 6th, 1907. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Her father, Frida Kahlo's father, was from German. So yes, he was from German and he was a photographer, okay? He immigrated to Mexico, okay? And he met and married Matilde. He met, conoció, married, se casó with Matilde. Who is Matilde? The mother of Frida Kahlo, okay? Or Frida Kahlo's mother. Very good. Let's continue. Frida had two sisters. Frida tuvo two sisters, two old sisters, and their names were Matilde and Adriana. And Frida had one young sister. Ella tuvo una hermana más joven que ella, and her name was Christina. Okay? There we go. So that's the way you understand the text. Esa es la forma en que entendemos un texto. Remember, number one, read the title, the title. Number two, pay attention to the images in the text. And number three, identify the grammar that we are using in the text. So in this context, we are using verbs in past, okay? Verbs in past. Very good. Espero que hayan aprendido a cómo leer un texto más fácil y nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad.